Good morning. Today is Monday, March 10th, 2025. I'm here at Berkman Plaza Marina. This is the Unnamed Wellcraft. Before I show you the whole cleaning, I do want to let you know that your paint is pretty bad. It's definitely bad here on the outdrive. It is also bad on the hull. I do also have some concerns for your prop. You have a few nicks in them and a few bends as well, so that's not as efficient as it could be. Going back to the paint, moving forward, it could take fairly long going into the summertime when this growth gets terrible. It could accumulate a lot faster. I do recommend us either coming out here a lot sooner, or we have this painted and we come and check on it periodically, clean it up, make sure that the paint is sticking. But let me go ahead and show you the whole cleaning, and then we can determine what to do later. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.